In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a wedding invitation in Canva. By the end, you'll have a beautiful personalized invite ready to share or print, all without needing any design experience. First, open your browser and head to canva.com. Log into your account, or create one for free if you're new. The free version has everything you need for a polished wedding invitation, so you can jump right in. Once you're in, start a new design by using the search bar at the top and typing wedding invitation. This pulls up the correct canvas size and a gallery of ready-made designs tailored for weddings, which saves time and ensures a professional look. Browse the wedding invitation templates and click on one that matches your style or theme. Think about your venue and overall vibe: modern, classic, rustic, or whimsical, and choose a template that's already close to what you want. When you find the one, click to open it in the editor. Now, let's edit the text. Click on any text box and replace the placeholder copy with your details: names, date, start time, venue, and any short note your guests need. Keep it concise and clear. Use full addresses for clarity, and check spelling, capitalization, and punctuation. If the layout feels crowded, shorten lines rather than shrinking the text too much. Adjust alignment and spacing so everything reads comfortably. Next, customize the style. Update fonts to elegant options that suit your tone. Think a graceful serif for names and a clean sans serif for details. Limit yourself to one or two fonts to keep it cohesive, and use size and weight to create a clear hierarchy. Then adjust colors to match your wedding palette. If you have specific hex codes, paste them in for perfect matches. Aim for strong contrast between text and background so everything stays easy to read. If you'd like, add images or graphics. You can upload an engagement photo or a monogram and place it thoughtfully. Use Canva's elements to search for florals, lines, or subtle accents that enhance, not clutter, your design. Keep important text away from the edges, and use layering and transparency to create depth without overpowering the information. When you're happy with the design, it's time to download. Click Share in the top right corner, then Download. Choose the format that fits your plan: PDF print for high-quality printing, or PNG/JPG for digital sharing, and confirm your settings. Click Download, and your invitation will save to your device. That's it. Your custom wedding invitation is ready. Take a final look, print or share as needed, and enjoy the process of bringing your celebration to life.